Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to set the connected Wi-Fi internet connection as metered connection in Windows and Android. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly I will show you how you can do it in your Windows computer. So for this, firstly connect your Windows computer with your Wi-Fi internet connections. Then after that you can see here on the right bottom you can see a Wi-Fi connected icon, right? Just click on it and just click on this right arrow and you can see the connected Wi-Fi internet connections, right? And just near to it you can see one icon, icon, that is a properties. Just click on it. Now you can see here option metered connection, right? So by default this option will not be turned on, so if you want to set it as metered connection then you can just enable it, and now this Wi-Fi internet connection whenever it gets connected will be automatically set to the metered connections. So if you don't want to set it as a metered connection then you can just turn it off again. So in Windows computer this is the way how you can do it. Now how you can do the same thing in the Android smartphone. So now on the Android smartphone, firstly connect your Wi-Fi internet connection with your Android smartphones, and after that just slide down and you can see our connected Wi-Fi icon on the notification toggle. Just tap on it and now you can see here the connected Wi-Fi internet connection, right? And just near to it you can see a settings icon. Just tap on it and now you can see here just in the below an option written as view more. Just tap on it and now you can see here one option written as metered network. So just tap on it. So by default it has been set to detect automatically, so if you want to set this as metered connection then you can just click on this 3dash metered. So whenever this Wi-Fi internet connection gets connected it will be set to as metered connections. So if you want to just disable it again, just tap on it and select this detect automatically again. So these are the ways how to set the connected Wi-Fi internet connection as metered connection in Windows and Android very easily. So if you never known about this option present in your Windows as well as your Android devices, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.